Today I want to make a video on number 10, Yaoyorozu no Kami. Yaoyorozu no Kami, literally translating to 8 million gods, is a fundamental concept in Shintoism, the traditional indigenous religion of Japan. Although this number is not meant to be a literal quantifiable number of divine deities in the world, 8 million is an ancient poetic term for infinity. This core belief states that there are countless deities, spirits, or kami, God, that permeates the entire universe, embodying everything from natural forces, people, or even to everyday human objects. They believe that divine resides in the mountains, the trees, the winds, the walls, the bridges, the swords, and even words. And one of the most important, yet sometimes misunderstood, concepts in Shintoism is that these kamis or divine deities are not purely good. They have a dual nature called Mitama. One is a Nigi Mitama, a gentle divine soul that brings blessings, harvest, and peace. Second is the Aramitama, a wild, turbulent divine soul that brings storms, illness, or earthquakes. This is the reason why shrines exist, not just to say thank you to deities, but to also perform rituals, matsuri, or Japanese festivals to pacify the Aramitama and encourage the Nigimitama to surface. Because a god neglected becomes a demon worshipped becomes a guardian. And because of this unique belief, Japanese people fosters a profound respect for the material and natural world, a tradition that taught them not to take things for granted and treat them with respect. You could see it with their harmony with nature, a kind of protection of the environment that goes beyond ecology, one that shows respect for sacred spirits inside them. You could also see this in their tradition of treating things with care, which, although made discarding equipment in Japan commonly deeply frowned upon, is a sign of respect and fostering of gratitude in the little things we have in life. Thanks so much.